Do you want to speak English naturally and confidently in real life situations? Then today's lesson is perfect for you. Today you will listen to a realistic conversation between two friends at a cozy bakery shop. Bakery Cafe. This lesson will help you improve your pronunciation, listening skills, vocabulary, and fluency through the powerful shadowing technique. But before we start, here is your challenge question. What special ingredient does Sarah add to her tea? Listen carefully and write your answer in the comments below. Now let's begin. Listen carefully, pause after each sentence and repeat it aloud. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking. Ready? Let's start.
Sarah, look at the time. My brain is completely exhausted. How about yours?
Oh, I feel the same way. I have been working on this spreadsheet for hours. I really need a break.
Why don't we visit the Golden Bean? It's the new bakery cafe around the corner.
A bakery cafe? That sounds wonderful. I would love something sweet and a nice hot drink.
Great, let's go and recharge our batteries.
Give me just 2 minutes to save my work and I will be ready. Whoa, this place looks amazing.
I know, the atmosphere is so relaxing.
And it smells incredible. Fresh coffee and baked pastries everywhere.
Look at those comfortable chairs near the window, Sarah.
Yes, let's sit there.
Good choice. It looks peaceful and quiet. There are so many delicious options here.
I think I will order tea today.
Which one?
Maybe Earl Grey tea. It sounds refreshing.
I am definitely getting a double espresso.
You are always drinking.
Go for it. I am ordering their famous cheesecake.
Hello, welcome. What would you like today?
I would like a double espresso and a slice of cheesecake, please.
Certainly. And what would you like, ma'am? I would like a large Earl Grey tea, please. Of course, ma'am. And could you add a slice of lemon to my tea? Absolutely, ma'am. 1 double espresso, 1 cheesecake, and 1 large Earl Grey tea with lemon. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Perfect. Your order will be ready shortly.
Ah, this coffee is fantastic.
The lemon makes the tea taste so fresh.
The cheesecake is delicious too. Would you like to try some?
Sure. Whoa, it's a rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious.
We should come here every week.
I agree. Taking a small break like this makes a big difference.
Ready to go back to work? Are you ready?
Not really. But yes, if you insist.
At least we are feeling refreshed now.
Definitely. Now let's go. Hey, my dear friend, great job. I hope you enjoyed this English shadowing practice. Now tell me, what did Sarah ask the barista to add to her tea? Write your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real life English conversations and shadowing practice. Keep practicing English every day. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye and take care.